Hi, I'm Stephanie with Wunderlich America, where German precision meets real-world riding. Let's talk about something you use every time you ride, your brake and clutch levers. If your hands ever feel like they've just finished a gym workout after a few hours on the bike, it's not you, it's your setup. Leave arm pump in the rear view with Wunderlich Vario levers, precision crafted to be fully adjustable and designed to transform how you connect with your BMW. Your levers are more than just controls, they're extensions of you. And on a bike where every detail matters, the feel, feedback, and function of your brake and clutch levers can either enhance your experience or totally drain it. Wunderlich Vario levers are engineered to deliver that next level control you didn't know you were missing. With two key points of adjustability, reach and length, these levers adapt to your riding styles, hand size, and preference, like no OEM part can. Need to fine-tune your reach while you ride? No problem. The Vario levers feature an easy access adjuster wheel you can turn even with thick gloves on. This means you can make micro adjustments mid-ride, perfect for endurance touring and sudden terrain changes, or just switching between aggressive and relaxed riding positions. Want to control braking power with less strain? Adjust the lever length and find that sweet spot between grip and finesse. A shorter lever gives you more feedback for spirited riding, while a longer setup gives you more leverage and comfort, especially in traffic or touring. Constructed from high-strength CNC-machined aluminum, these levers are anodized for both toughness and style, sporting a sleek matte black finish that looks right at home on any BMW. And they're not just good looking, they're built to withstand over 130 pounds of force. So when you need reliable response, rain or shine, twisties or highway, you've got it. Choose one or both brake and clutch levers, are sold individually, and installation quick and straightforward. The installation kit also comes with thread locking fluid, which we highly recommend using. So whether you want to control your levers with 2, 3, or 4 fingers, you can lock it down and secure the lever in that position. You can start riding smarter sooner. With the Wunderlich Vario levers, you don't just upgrade your bike, you upgrade your connection to it. And once you feel the difference, you won't want to go back. Experience a new level of pride in your ride with the Wunderlich Vario brake and clutch levers, available now at wunderlichamerica.com. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more premium motorcycle upgrades, tips, and product spotlights. Ride safe, and we'll see you out there.